The Razer Deathstalker V2 Pro is a top-tier keyboard that offers customizable lighting, high-performance wireless capabilities, and an impressive battery life of up to 40 hours. It's perfect for gaming and everyday use, and its customizable micros allow you to personalize the keyboard to your liking. Whether you're a serious gamer or a keyboard enthusiast, the Razer Deathstalker V2 Pro is a must-have. Welcome to our review of the Razer Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard. This keyboard is designed for top-tier performance and durability, with low-profile ergonomics and high-performance wireless capabilities. With its sleek design and customizable lighting, the Deathstalker V2 Pro is perfect for gaming and everyday use. Stick around to see why this keyboard is a must-have for any serious gamer or keyboard enthusiast. With its impressive battery life, customizable lighting and macros, and the support of the Razer community, the Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard is a top-tier choice for gamers and keyboard enthusiasts. Keep watching to learn more about its impressive features and benefits. The Razer Deathstalker V2 Pro is available for purchase on Amazon for $250. The link to the product is in the description. The Deathstalker V2 Pro is equipped with high-performance wireless capabilities. This means that the keyboard uses Razer's hyperspeed wireless technology and Bluetooth 5.0 to provide ultra-low latency, gaming, and multi-device support. This ensures that the keyboard is responsive and reliable, allowing you to game or work without any lag or interference. The wireless connectivity of the keyboard also allows for greater flexibility and convenience. The included wireless dongle can be stored neatly in a compartment underneath the keyboard, and the keyboard can be paired with a compatible mouse for a streamlined setup. This allows you to easily move the keyboard around your desk or take it with you on the go, without having to worry about tangled cables or other issues. The Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard is available in two color options, black and white. This means that you can choose the color that best suits your style and setup. The black version of the keyboard has a sleek and professional look, while the white one has a more modern and unique aesthetic. For the people that are still watching, we have a little rhyme for you. If you want to keep your gameplay alive, remember to like the video, that's what I advise. The Razer Deathstalker V2 Pro is a keyboard that'll thrive, so make sure to hit that like button, it'll help us to thrive. Leave a comment for what you think about the rhyme, but also what you think about the Deathstalker V2 Pro. I appreciate it. Anyway, let's get back on topic. Having the option to choose between black and white allows you to personalize your keyboard and make it truly your own, whether you prefer a classic look or something more contemporary. The Deathstalker V2 Pro has you covered. In addition to its attractive color options, the keyboard also features customizable lighting, allowing you to choose the color and pattern of the backlighting to match your style. This adds another layer of personalization to the keyboard that allows you to truly create a unique and eye-catching setup. These switches are ultra-fast and ultra-reliable, with a shorter actuation height of reduced keyboard travel and a lifespan of 70 million keystrokes. This means that you can perform quicker keystrokes and enjoy a more natural typing experience, without worrying about the switches failing. The switches are also available in two versions, smooth and silent, or crisp and clicky. This allows you to choose the type of feedback that best suits your preferences. The smooth and silent version provides a smooth switch feel with sound dampeners for a quieter typing experience, while the crisp and clicky version provides a tactile switch feel with audible feedback. The Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard is equipped with top-class connectability, featuring both Razer Hyperspeed Wireless and Bluetooth 5.0. This means you can enjoy ultra-low latency gaming with an industry-leading 2.4 GHz connection. That's 25% faster than any other wireless technologies. You can also easily streamline your setup by pairing a compatible mouse to the same wireless USB dongle used by the keyboard. In addition to its impressive connectability, the Deathstalker V2 Pro also has a seamless dongle storage. A compartment underneath the keyboard allows you to easily tuck away the dongle for easy storage when traveling. This ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of wireless connectivity without worrying about losing or misplacing the dongle. One of the standout features of the Deathstalker V2 Pro is its impressive battery life. With a lifespan of up to 40 hours on a single charge, this keyboard can keep up with your gaming and typing needs for hours on end. This is thanks to its power-efficient optical switches and bright RGB backlighting, which require less power than traditional mechanical switches. In addition to its impressive battery life, the Deathstalker V2 Pro also has an ultra-slim casing with a durable aluminum top plate. This ensures that the keyboard has a sleek and stylish design, while also providing greater durability and a satisfying heft. The slim profile of the keyboard also ensures neutral hand positioning for long hours of use with little strain. The Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard features laser-etched keycaps with Razer HyperGuard coating. This provides ultimate fade and scratch resistance, ensuring that the legends on the keycaps will look sharp and clean for a long time. The keycaps also have a backlight secondary legends for more convenient typing, and per key RGB lighting that shines brightly and evenly to produce 100% RGB backlighting. The laser-etched keycaps with Razer HyperGuard coating on the Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard are also designed to be tougher than traditional double-shot ABS keycaps. This means that the keycaps will be less prone to wear and tear, ensuring that your keyboard will look and feel like new for a long time. The Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard features a convenient multi-function roller and media button. These buttons can be configured to pause, play, skip, and tweak various settings such as brightness and volume. This provides an easy and intuitive way to control your entertainment while you're gaming or working. In addition to these conveniences, the multi-function roller and media button on the Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard also have a sleek and stylish design. They blend seamlessly with the overall design of the keyboard, providing a smooth and seamless user experience. The Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard comes with up to 2 years of warranty and 14 days of risk-free returns. This means that you can purchase the keyboard with confidence, knowing that you're covered if anything goes wrong. The warranty and returns policy also provide peace of mind, so you can return the keyboard if you're not satisfied with its performance or features. In addition to its impressive warranty and return policies, the Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard is also compatible with Razer Synapsys 3. This allows you to customize the lighting and macros on the keyboard, ensuring that it fits your unique gaming and typing needs. The Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard is part of the Razer brand, which is known for its high-quality gaming and keyboard products. The brand is for gamers by gamers, meaning that its products are designed and developed with the needs of gamers in mind. In addition to its gaming-focused design and development, the Razer brand also provides access to reliable tech support and a community of like-minded gamers and keyboard enthusiasts. This means that you can get help and advice from other users and experts, as well as share your experiences and insights with others. Overall, the Razer brand and its community make the Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard a great choice for gamers and keyboard enthusiasts who want a top-tier keyboard that is designed and supported by a brand that understands their needs and interests. With its impressive features and the support of the Razer community, the Deathstalker V2 Pro keyboard is sure to impress and satisfy even the most demanding gamers and keyboard enthusiasts. To wrap it up, the Razer Deathstalker V2 keyboard is a top-tier keyboard that features low-profile ergonomics, high-profile wireless connectivity, and customizable lighting and macros. With its impressive battery life and durable design, as well as the support of the Razer community, this keyboard is sure to impress and satisfy even the most demanding gamers and keyboard enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gaming and keyboard news and reviews.